old program in business development, we're on a hiring play now in redesigning the whole channel enablement, because the channel enablement play today is very expensive for SAP and it's very expensive for our partners. So again, I told you I was an accountant by trade. If you do activity-based costing, which we did, it was one of the first things I did when I came in here, is we spun up a Tiger team that did some activity-based costing, and you looked at, on the y-axis, the cost to enable a partner on a solution, and you looked at, on the x-axis, the time to revenue. Time to revenue was 9 months at best, and the cost to enable was really high, 6 figures, on both sides, partner side and on the SAP side. So very expensive to enable, very long time to revenue. With that marketing pillar that I talked to you about, we will collapse the time to revenue. And with the activity-based costing model, we've taken out a lot of the non-value-added costs out of that and hired a whole bunch of really smart people. And we will go on payroll and off payroll to figure out, and we're working through that now, all the high-speed enablement without risking any end-user satisfaction issues. But we're building out a Tiger or a high-speed enablement team that will bring on the reference sites for a partner, bringing in ready-to-buy leads as a way of enablement. So ready-to-buy leads with SAP pre-sales, demo, and post-sales support, enabling the first deal as a way of learning how to drive that car. So instead of sending somebody to driving school for 6 months before we give them the keys, we're going to get in the car with them, with 2 steering wheels, 2 brakes, and they're going to start driving, maybe not from day one, but after a week of flight, or whatever the right time is, if that's the right analogy. So again, we're not going to risk any end-user satisfaction. That's our different play. And today you go through a whole onboarding process that takes months and months, and it's very expensive. Now we're going to bring in an active end-user customer and do the deal together, and then take the training wheels off.